What is up, all my gamers? King V here. Actually, not King V. I'll show you how to fix the connection after the attack. So, like, usually you guys will get this message when you try to sign in, but here how you fix it. Hold on. So what you want to do is go to setting, go down to network. Go down to set up internet connection. Either one is fine. Go to Wi-Fi or LAN. I'm using LAN cable right now. And then go to custom, automatic. Do not Spotify, automatic. And then this one you put the second one, the MTU settings. And then what you want to do is put 1473. Remember, there's 1473, and then click next. Do not use test connection. See, this is really work. Like, what the fuck, Sony? They've been tweeting how to fix it. That's like a simple thing ever. So I'm just gonna let it load up here to prove it work. See, it does really work. So thanks for watching. If it helps, subscribe and like. King V, actually not King V here. Deuces.